Let me show you how MiniConnect helps you get more than 4 feet of padded protection. All our main pads, PilePad, Mid, and Slim, share the same 4-foot height. Now, what happens if you want more than 4 feet of padded protection? You count on our MiniConnect system, which is built in to each of our mini pads. Now, this is a Mid Mini, and we're gonna go ahead and connect it with the built-in zipper system to the main Mid pad. Now, this is gonna get us 72 inches or 6 feet of padded protection. But if it just so happens you need more, go ahead and keep adding minis for an infinite amount of padded protection. One thing to note, we've designed this great beveled edge, which gives you a seamless front no matter how far your PilePad system goes.